Yo, it just started pouring randomly. And look how many people. Homie almost got stuck, bro. Yo gang, what is up? It's your boy Laz, aka MotoBroo, and as you can see, we got the big 450 out here today, and we are on Broward on top, Miami, and just look at all the people. Today is gonna be flipping bananas. Let's get into it. Yo, look how many motherfuckers we got out here, brother. Let's go, DRZ gang. Bro, look at all the bikes. Let's go. Yes, sir. Let's go. Yo, look at all the people. We got the girl. She got no leg, bro. Or she got one leg. Let's go. Let's go. Yo, look at all the riders we got, boy. It's busy.
We're working the clock today.
Crazy. We'll be wearing Crocs, dude. Yo, we got scooter homies on the two-stroke scooters. And we got a girl on a Harley, bro. This is about to be. Shee! Yo, look at everyone. This is crazy, bro. The start of the freaking and it's about to go down, bro. I hope I can put like some of the footy. I hope I can put some of the good footy in here. Y'all know how the 2B, they don't like that. Let's go. Yeah, look at everyone. We got four-wheelers. We got dirt bikes. Yes, sir. We got sport bikes out here. We got Harleys, you already know. Vibing. Everyone, dude, like, non-stop amount of people out here. Bro, I see a McLaren, dog. Oh my gosh. Some gas station adventures. Dude, this thing is flipping. Yo, look at this thing. Oh my god, dude. Bro, that thing is beautiful. This is mainly like a sport bike slash Harley, but there's definitely some dirt bikes here, like just your boy. Cool, brother. Oh my god. Yo, it just started pouring randomly. And look how many people. Yeah. Yo, this is crazy, dog. Look at all the riders just pulling up. We have such a big crew with us. Broward don't stop, ain't playing. Alright, it's not raining, sort of. It's not pouring at least. Alright, and we off. We left this gas station. Now it's time to shred the streets. Yeah, now we're just cruising, bro. As you can see, we got the Hard Rock right over there. We're just vibing. It's a little sketchy in this rain. You don't want to go too crazy because you'll probably slip out. You're just chilling, brother. Homie almost got stuck, bro. A little event going on, and he's still going, brother. Look at that. as a nut. But look at the view. Homie got the touring tank. Let's go! 407 fight line, baby! Look at her shred, bro. On the purple sport bike. Yo, she's shredded. Let's go. We outside, brother. Yo, she be killing it on that sport bike. That's so insane. A chick just flossing out like that. Getting that thing, rudder. That thing is loud. Yo, it's crazy how many people are here right now. Scooter squad. Oh boy. Go. Boy, getting it on the Harley, dude. The Harley is just such a vibe. Let's go. They're rocking doubles, bro. Alrighty, gang. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me tell you, BOT 22. Oh my gosh, it was one for the books. Such a good ride out. Shout out everyone who was out there, who hosted the ride. It was such a dope day. As you see, it did get a little rainy, but hey, that's Florida. But hit that subscribe button. I freaking love you. Stay motivated. Till next time, gang. Peace.